In today's video, we'll be talking about the basic rules of differentiation. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Now we have it as y equals to n multiplied by x raised to the power n minus 1. For example, let's say we have y to be equal to x squared. Okay. Now it means that differentiating y with respect to x, which is the y over dx, it means that the two up there you're seeing right now is known to be our n. So it will have to come down. That is, we'll have it as 2 multiplied by x, then 2 minus 1, because we have n minus 1 at the top. That is, we have our answer to be 2x. Okay, let's assume we have something like y equal to 3x raised to the power of 5. Now, looking at this, differentiating y in respect to x gives us to be 3 multiplied by, now look at that 5 up there. It is known to be our n, so it has to come down. Then x raised to the power 5 minus 1. That is, we have an answer to be 15x raised to the power of 4. I hope you understand that. Okay, let's assume we have y to be equal to 10. Now, what do you think the answer of this will be? Of course, the dy over dx of this will be equal to 0. Okay, let me explain. Now, let's assume we have it to be y equal to 10 x raised to the power of 0. Of course, it can be, because anything raised to the power of 0 is also known as 1. So more like saying y equal to 10. Alright, so we have the y over dx to be what? The 10. Then the 0 you're seeing up there is known to be our n. So you have to bring it down. That is 0 raised to the power what? X raised to the power 0 minus 1. That is, looking at this, anything multiplied by 0 automatically gives us 0. Okay, so that's why we have it as 0. Okay, now let's assume we're asked to differentiate y equals to square root of x. How do we go about this? So mathematically, this can as well be rewritten to be y equal to x raised to the power 1 over 2. Okay, that is, how do we go about this now? Differentiating y in respect to x, it means that we'll have to bring 1 over 2 down. Okay, then x raised to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1. So we have this to be 1 over 2 x raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Okay, because half minus 1 gives us negative half. So we have it as 1 over 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Okay, which can still be rewritten to be 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, that is the reciprocal of that. So the reason why we did this was to remove the negative sign there. All right, so we can definitely have our final answer to be equal to 1 over 2 raised to x raised to power 1 over 2. I hope you understand that. All right, so let's now assume we have y equal to 1 over x square root of x. You can as well pause this video and try this yourself. Okay, now let's see. This can as well can be written as 1 over x raised to power 1 multiplied by x raised to power 1 over 2. Now looking at this can be written as 1 over x. You can see they are having the same base, so you just add up their power because they are being multiplied. Okay, so this automatically gives us 1 over x raised to power 3 over 2. Okay, which can still be written as x raised to power minus 3 over 2. So initially, this question should have been y equal to x raised to power minus 3 over 2. Okay, so now it's it's much more easier to solve. So we have the y over dx to be minus 3 over 2. Then we have x raised to the power of minus 3 over 2. Okay, remembering our rule, the minus 3 over 2 is meant to be our n. So we are subtracting 1 from that thing. Okay, so we are subtracting 1. Then minus 3 over 2 minus 1, everything you're seeing there. When you do the mathematics, okay, you are having minus 5 over 2. So it means that we are having dy over dx to be equal to minus 3 over 2, then x raised to the power of minus 5 over 2, which can still be written as minus 3 over 2, then x raised to the power 5 over 2. I hope you understand that. Good. All right, let's see. Let's say we have y equal to 2x into the bracket of x squared plus 3. Okay, now looking at this, of course, we can definitely open the bracket to give us 2x raised to the power of 3 plus 6x. Okay, now differentiating this, the y in respect to x, it gives us 6x squared. That is, you're seeing 2 multiplied by 3, x raised to the power of 3 minus 1, plus 6x, that is 6 times 1, then x raised to the power 1 minus 1. Alright, this gives us 6x raised to the power of 2 plus 6x raised to the power of 0. Remember, anything raised to the power of 0 automatically gives us 1. So we have 6x squared plus 6. So that is the final answer to this particular question. We've come to the end of the video. If you find the video helpful, kindly subscribe and like this video. And at the same time, if you want to learn more about differentiation, kindly click on the link you can see on the screen and it will take you to my next video